Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam, Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn how we can generate hundreds of leads using ChatGPT to sell our GoHighLevel agency. So it's a super easy and I will guide you step by step. Using ChatGPT you can generate thousands of leads and you can turn them into GoHighLevel and then you can start selling to your offers. So without wasting time, let me dive in our Google. So first of all we need to write here, we need to do Chrome extension and what we can say 100 results of Google. Okay, here we have this Chrome extension and I just add into our Chrome. So right now it's in our Chrome. So what we can do in our next, I will say Palumber in New York. Whatever your topic is or whatever your niche, business niche is. For example, you want to find a lawyer and you can sell them your services, or you want to find them a cryotherapy therapy expert coaches. You can just write your keyword here and whatever your niche is. So you can just write this and after that you can just quote and you can say that I need gmail.com. So what they get all those results, they have Gmails. So it's super easy. What we can do in the next and the next, where simply I just copy. Right now it's 100 plus result, but I'm going to copy few results here. So I just copy these few results. I just show you the process. You can do it's your own. And I just simply go back here and go to ChatGPT. I just post these all data from Google, and what I can do, I can say here, I can say please organize these data by email, name and phone number. Just simply click the press and it start, and boom, here you have all data. You have name, you have emails, you have phone number as well. So that's how you can generate hundreds of leads. And ask ChatGPT to please convert it into, that's our next stage, into CSV file. It will take few seconds and convert it into CSV file. So they just convert into CSV file. I just download it. It start downloading here. So what I can do next here, simply I just go here, go to Google Sheet and I will create blank new sheet, GHL data. Go to file, click on import and go to upload. Just browse and here is the list. I just start importing. Yes, start imports and they will import all data here into sheet. It will take few seconds, but it will be import. So right now all data is imported here. So what we can do, we can just simply say channelize these all things, and it's name, phone number and email. I just put the name. I just go to here and I just go to download and go download CSV file here. I just click on it. It start downloading here CSV file. So what we can do here, and I just simply go back to login into GoHighLevel account. I just go back into my agency here. So simply I just log into my sub account, and what I can do, I just go to the contacts and here we have export and import. Just click on it and I just say, just select the contact list and start importing here. But I can see, I will say next. Just click on, and that's the CSV file we have made from here. Just simply click on it and I will say contact update and just click on the next. And in our next we have these three things. We have name, phone number and emails, and simply go to here and you can change name here if you want to change, otherwise it will be keep same and it's mapped. Otherwise you can create your custom value here and you can utilize this here as well, and to import all the data in our same bulk things. Okay, and what we can do here, we can say just confirm and just simply click on the bulk import and it will start importing. It will take few seconds, and after that you can check all contacts will be here. You can see all the contacts in a contact list, and after that what you can see, these are all contacts here. What you can do, and simply go to automations. Here you can make automations on the change stage or on the contact chart, and you can add all contacts in the workflow. It will be automatically send response, SMS, emails, and whatever offer you have, you can sell them easily. So that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation with me. I will jump with you on a call. I will guide you step by step. If you have any issue, just simply go here and book your free consultation. Either you can just discuss with me here as well. And if you can go with my affiliate link by GoHighLevel, I will give you these all snapshot here, and also I will design your funnels. I will set up all things free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.